What's going on, kids? Zoe Nick here. Today we're going to take some motorcycles outside and fire them up. Some of the real old stuff too, like this stuff. So, pretty exciting.
Apa yang terjadi cowok dan cewek hari ini? Kita akan membawa beberapa sepeda motor keluar dan menyalakannya.
We'll probably take one from every era, one from the 40s, 30s, 20s, teens, and then we'll move into the 60s and 70s room. What's up, kids? Today we're starting up the 1928 Benelli 175 Turismo. That is beautiful. Oh, my first kick too. This is ice cold right out of the museum. Look at that. Easy start, man. Wow. Can't believe how easy that started. We just rolled it out of the museum, man. Pretty cool. He's cool, man. Everything's original except the pipe. There we go. Finally cleared out. This is choke, timing, and what's this one?
Anticipo.
Okay. Pretty cool.
Ini adalah 1928175 Turismo Benelli.
There it is. 1928 Benelli 175. Thanks, guys. is 1932 Benelli 175 Sport. Good looking little bike. They came with the painted rims from back then. There was no chrome, very little. It was funny because they chrome the sides of the tank, but they don't do the rims. But yeah, great little bike. Alright, see you in the next one, guys. 1936 500 Turismo. All gear drive motor. Let's see if she'll run. Just pulled it off the museum floor. Sitting for a while. Ah, gonna go. There it goes, man. Looks like that. Ice cold off the museum floor. Pretty impressive. These are great bikes right here. You still ride them on modern day roads because they have the power. This bike kind of changed the game for Benelli. Well, the 250 with this configuration, all gears, it was fast. Faster than any other 250 of its time. Benelli was very advanced back in the 30s. This is actually someone's rider, Paul Fontana. He rides this bike a lot. Sounds good. Sounds good. See, once again, they had the center of the rims painted, and they just chromed the outside. That's what they did back then, and I never understood why. You're gonna chrome the rim, why paint the center black? But they did, black and red. All right, guys, we'll get you the next one. It was actually just out of gas. We shook it, and there was no gas in it. And I got some compression when they get to a certain spot. Wants to go. There it goes. Nope. Close though. Mario started it up. Oh, he got it. There it goes. This is pretty much the same bike, 2 years newer, the 39. It's got the wall pipes. I actually prefer the high pipes. But cool rear suspension. Good looking bikes, man. This is all gears in here, all the way down, all the way across. No change. Alright, 1939 Benelli 500 Sport low pipe. The previous one was high pipe. Alright, show you some more, guys. Something we definitely don't see in America. This is a 53 Moto B twin 2-stroke. I just pulled it off the museum floor, pointed at it, and they said everything in here runs. So I'm putting them to the test. Only so far, only one we couldn't get started. Oh, look at that, instantaneously. If you're gonna buy a Moto B, this is the one you want. Fast too, man. Moto B, this is the one you want. You made one with twin carbs, that's even better. Sweet, man. Thing fires right up. Goes kick. Yeah, awesome bike. Alright guys, I'll show you some more. 1962 Moto B 200 Sprite, also known as the Barracuda in America. They had them badges each. This one's extremely nice too, man. Like someone did a serious restoration. Paint's phenomenal. These are good little bikes, man. Much better bike than the Benelli 200. Oops. Don't want to run though. Great now. That's a pretty bike right there, man. Good. Not as good as the 2-stroke twin, but I'm partial to 2-strokes. Alright. There you go, guys. I'll pull out some more and fire them up. See it. 1937 500 Sport. Let's see if she'll fire. She's been sitting on the showroom museum floor for a while. Look at that. God, that was easy. I can't believe how easy that started, right off the museum floor. Sitting in there for a long time, man. That was incredible. That was incredible. Started right up, instantly. They're beautiful bikes. I like the high pipe. High pipe's cool. Cool high pipe. Little down spring. Got it right up. Can't believe how easy that started. Oh, exhaust baffles. So when you ride in town, slide them down. And to get them heated up. Heats up the motor. That's nice. That's nice. That's a nice bike right there. You see how easy that thing started? For a second I thought I was stuck. Yeah, that thing's sweet. 1937 500 Sport. Good looking scooter right there. I love the big giant tack. Alright guys, we'll show you some more.